Guys, good afternoon to each and every one of you. It's so good to be back at the Q-Shala Family Quiz. It's been a small 2-week break that I wasn't around for. Of course, I was watching the quiz on YouTube like everybody else does. But this is really, really great to be back here for the Q-Shala Family Quiz. I'm thrilled to be co-hosting this quiz with my colleague and co-quiz master, Shrija. I need to introduce our guest quiz master for the day, and that is none other than Bulbul Sharma. Ma'am, hello, ma'am. How are you doing, ma'am?
Good. How are you guys?
We're very excited. That's what I'm going to say. Very excited to have you at the Q-Shala Family Quiz. Thank you so much for making time for joining us today.
I'm so excited too. I've never participated in a quiz before.
So, ma'am, can we get started?
Yes, lovely.
Absolutely. Okay, so everybody, first question, over to ma'am, appearing on the screen right now.
Okay, children, here we go. One of my favorite preachers. They're all my favorite preachers, but Jatayu was one of my favorite preachers from.
I think it is
Yes, that's absolutely correct. That's very, very clever of you, because I think it was quite a what should I say, interesting clue. He's a noble bird, and he was a great friend of King Dashrath also, and had promised him in some other story that he would look after his sons.
Yeah.
It all worked out, but he unfortunately, dies trying to fight Ravan. So it's a great sacrifice. Vatapi and Ilvala are two demon brothers who could trick all travelers who went past their cave. But like all evil creatures, one day they get to meet somebody who's more strong. So which influential sage who crossed the Vindhya mountains taught them a lesson by digesting Vatapi? Who was this great, noble, wise man? A great sage.
It is Agastya.
Yes, well done. Well done. That's a clever girl. Well done, Agastya.
We have one small tradition that we have at the Q-Shala Family Quiz. We take a photo, with the guest quiz master, and we try a different pose or a different sort of thing. So for this, we thought it's rather opportune that we have everybody in the quiz strike a monster pose if they could. So I'm going to go ahead. And is that okay, ma'am? Can we take a photo?
Yeah, that'd be great. Yeah.
Awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing my screen, and I'd like to switch on gallery view. My colleagues, I'm assuming, are going to be taking a photo. So, ma'am, I'm here. Are you there? Okay, awesome. We're all here, guys. In 3, 2, 1, you can say paneer.
Yeah. You can say kabanda.
We can say kabanda for the next one as well. 3, 2, 1, kabanda. Awesome. Do we have photos, Shrija?
Yes, we have the photos. The rapid fire round, so everybody get ready, flex your muscles to put your thinking caps on, and here's your first question on your screen. Yes, New Zealand's 2021 Bird of the Year contest has an unusual participant. Which flying mammal is it? Is it an albatross? Is it a kiwi? Is it a bat? Or is it a parakeet? Right? So take a look at the picture carefully. There's a clue right there. Less than 13 seconds remaining. Think about a flying mammal which has been in the news since the last year. Yes, less than 3 seconds remaining. And yes, the correct answer is in fact the bat. And if you looked at the picture carefully, it was right there. With that, we'll take a look at the...
Here is the winners from last week's edition. So we've got Advit, Amog, and Dhrithrit. I think that's Dhriti, who actually are our winners from our LBC from last week. Well done to all of you guys. And then, of course, we have prizes worth 300 rupees as a scholarship for the teams, the first 3 teams that guessed the theme right. And here is what we showed for you for set number 1, or the first week, which is, of course, the flight from death in French, and those different elements that you have. Count the number of them. That should also help you. In set number 2, you have these 2 images, and what we have right now, which is the next set, ladies and gentlemen, is what we're revealing to you, is this. So this is the new clues that we're releasing for you for this week. So think about it. Look carefully. We're asking you to identify something or someone who is very, 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 very infamous or very popular, right? So that's what we have for you. So go ahead and send in your answers to us. We'd love to see how many of you get this right? So these are the 3 clues that we have. And with that, let's look at the leaderboard, ladies and gentlemen. These are the winners of the top 10 from last week's Q-Shala family quiz. We've got Shreya, Shlok, Ethan, Dhriti, Prarthu, Adrit, Advit, Anuttara, Pranava, and Anvita. So these are fantastic winners. In third place in today's quiz is Sahana. Coming in second in today's quiz is Clever Girls. And winning today's quiz is Varun. Varun is the winner of today's quiz, followed by in fourth and fifth, we've got Maya and Niranjana. So Varun, Clever Girls, Sahana, Maya, and Niranjana, these are our top 5 in today's Q-Shala family quiz. Have a great time, guys. Take care. Anything you want to share as a parting message, Shrija, to our family quiz members?
Thank you for joining us today, and see you again next Sunday.
Absolutely, and especially for those joining it for the first time, I noticed some of you are sending me messages. You enjoyed the quiz. Jidanshi says that this was they were a first-time player. That's fantastic. Glad to have you here, and hopefully we see you for the next week's quiz as well. All right, guys, take care. We're going to be closing the call now. Have a great Sunday. Have a great week. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.